So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about best stock to buy at the current market situation. So we know that back-to-back volatility is present in the market. So very few stocks are giving that good upside momentum. So today we'll try to discuss about one such stock which can give some very good returns in the mid to long-term perspective. So we'll start with the basic fundamental details and then we'll go to the technical charts to find out the next possible levels. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so the stock that we are going to discuss today is going to be Steel Exchange India. So from the name itself, we can understand which sector it belongs. So obviously, it is related to the steel segment. So basically this company was incorporated in 1998, and obviously it is involved in the manufacturing of sale of steel and other products related to generation of power. So if we talk about major clients as well, so Tata Steel also, it is a very good client of it, and various other major large cap steel companies like SAIL also is included with this particular company. So recently also from the Tata Steel, it has got a very good order worth 3,550 crore. So everything is looking good with respect to this particular company, especially for long term perspective. So if we try to discuss about the product portfolio, so clearly we can see it is engaged in the wire segment, so from where 78% of the revenue is generated. Second one is billets and those stuff, so from there 15%, and from iron ore and ore fines from there 5%. So these are the major product portfolios of the company, right? So next, if we try to discuss the various financial things, so market cap is somewhere around 1910 crores, so not a big company but a normal type, and current price is around 217 rupees. So high is around 264 rupees and low is around 56.2. Stock P is significantly very less as compared to other stocks. We know generally this segment of stocks we see the valuation remains little high, but this company has a very good zone. And after that, if you see book value of it is somewhere around 55.8. And next most important thing is the return on capital employed followed by a return on equity. So they are pretty good, like 30% return on equity is very good, followed by ROC is around 13%. Next, debt is around 354 crore. So debt to equity ratio is also less than 1. So that is also preferable. Promoter holding is almost 50%, and pledging, you can say little bit high pledging is there. So as I told, few companies do pledge for various reasons. So we can't predict that. But overall, the promoter holding is also pretty good. Okay, so next, if we try to see other details, so obviously the quarter results also were declared, so that also we'll discuss. So before that, if you see overall the ROE and ROC are also pretty good. So negatives wise, only thing is the pledging and followed by little bit of trading above book value. So this is normal things that we find on regular basis, right? So now let's go to the recent financials that the company has posted. Okay, so if you see the financial segment, so very interesting. So revenue, you can see it was up by 14.2%. So net income was up almost by 286.42% on year-on-year basis, and followed by EPS and net profit margin were also up by 238%. So everything is looking good with respect to the financials. Okay, so next, if we talk about the technical perspective, so you can see little bit of downtrend was seen in the stock in the recent times because of the market volatility, and clearly it is taking a very good support near this 210 rupees level. So this 210 is going to be very, very important. So keep that in radar. So if it is breaking that only, we can expect a little bit of downfall. If not, then immediate resistance is 230, and if it breaks that, 240 followed by 260 can be easily achieved. And for long term perspective, you can keep a target of 400 as a long term target, right? So this is on daily chart. Even if you observe the weekly chart also, after that downtrend, so it has come little bit down. But if you want to have a safe entry, then this is the best level, that is the 200 rupees level. So if you're a safe investor and if you don't want to risk anything, so this is the level. And 210 also is a support if you take at the current market levels, and you can keep holding it for the long term perspective. So 400 is the target. So let's see how it goes. So if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.